If you like a spicy and flavorful chicken fry, then you need to try this. And believe me, this is made in the air fryer and not deep fried. To make this, you need 500 grams of chicken. Here I've taken chicken drumsticks and I've made a few slashes with a knife on each piece. Then add in 3 tablespoons of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, some chili flakes, pepper powder, sunflower oil, vinegar, some crushed fennel seeds, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, chaat masala which is optional, and an egg. And mix everything together. Then keep it aside for 2 hours or more. Then you can air fry them or deep fry. Here I have air fried them to 5 to 7 minutes on one side and then brushed with some coconut oil in between, and then flip to the other side and air fry them for 5 more minutes at 160 degree. To add more flavor, heat a little coconut oil, add some split green chilies, curry leaves and some salt. Then pour over this fried chicken. Now it's ready. Save this recipe to try this tattakada style chicken fry the next time.